Okay, so now that you have 1000 subscribers and 4000 hours of watch time, it is about time I show you my personal strategy to getting approved for monetization within like 24 hours or up to 7 days. So, once you submit your channel for review, it can take like 1 month, 6 months, or even 12 months to get approved for monetization. But with this strategy, you can literally boost that and get approved in like 24 hours or up to 7 days. So there are a few things that you can do. So first off, you will have to set up your channel properly. You will have a nice looking profile picture, nice looking channel art. I don't have for this channel because this is a brand new, and you want to set up this about page, write as much as you can about your channel, write as much as you can about the content that you're going to be creating on this channel and stuff like that. So provide as much information as you can. Leave your social media links, whatever you can, just to make it look natural, like make it look legit. So it has to look like you will be using it for a long-term business. So optimize it well, like I showed you in some of my previous videos, and like I will be showing you in some of the next lectures. And so that's the first thing that you can do. Then the second thing is to actually remind them to review your channel, because they're receiving like hundreds of thousands, maybe not hundreds of thousands, but thousands of channels every single day that they need to review. So your channel will get like burned by those massive channels that are coming in every single day. So you need to remind them that they need to review your channel, and you can do that by just going over to YouTube Studio. So you will go to YouTube Creator Studio. That will take you over to this page, and you want to click on this Creator Studio Classic. You want to go to Creator Studio Classic, pick whatever you want to from these, then submit that, and just let it just load, and then just go to Channel, and we want to find Monetization tab. So monetization right here. So we have YouTube Partner Program terms accepted, and you set up your AdSense account as I showed you in the second module. So AdSense is created, and now you have this. You will probably see like watch hours over 4,000 hours. So as I said, you need 4,000 hours and 1,000 subscribers. And then and then you want to click on this help and feedback, and I will give you a script. So let me just show you that real quick. There will be a script above this video, so you will just copy that. So just go to this send feedback, and you want to make a screenshot. Let it just load. And by the way, you have a script above this video. So this is a script. You will just copy the script from above the video, and you will just paste that right here. Make it look. You can even change something if you want to, but it's quite professional. It's a formal request. And then just enter your channel name right here. I will just copy this, paste it over here, and your channel ID. So this is the channel ID, so not the whole URL. This is only the channel ID, the username of the channel. So you will paste that over here, and then thank you, best regards, and you can leave your name down below. And as you can see, dear YouTube team, according to YouTube policies, a user must have 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers to enable monetization. As I have already reached 4,000 watch hours and also completed my 1,000 subscribers, I will request you to review my channel and enable monetization as soon as possible. My channel name is right here, my channel ID, thank you, best regards, and then leave your name. And then you want to take a screenshot of this section right here, screenshot these, then screenshot this section and this one as well. So 4 screenshots, and then just send that feedback, and they will receive that, and they will immediately go and review your channel, and you will probably get approved in less than 7 days. I will obviously not send this for review because I don't have 4,000 hours and 1,000 subscribers on this channel, but you see the point. You can see the point. So just copy the script that is above above this video and just adapt it to your own channel, and you can change it a little bit if you want to make it unique, and then just submit your feedback. So that's how you can boost it, and that's how you can get approved for monetization quickly.